welcome back for another day. This is another day of me working on my Skeeter. So yesterday I was able to remove some of the foam on the rear end of the boat and two parts of the stringers. So today I'm getting ready to try to finish removing all the foams on this stringer. I'm gonna try. Right now it's about 3 o'clock. The sun's high, but luckily I got some trees, so hopefully that will help me out somewhat. But yeah, let's see what's been going on here. So just to recap, this is what I've done since yesterday. I removed the foam here, and there, and some of that. So I've got, more foams on the two stringers on this side, on the left side, and the right side. But yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna put you guys through on time lapse, and we'll see how far I can get. Alright guys, just a quick update on how my boat is coming along on those foams. I was able to get rid of a lot of the foam. I mean, it's still in the boat, but I was able to pry it loose all the way up to the front of the deck, to the front bow. So here, let's take a look at it. So as you can see, everything is taken out, or at least between the stringers. But yeah, I still gotta do a lot of cleaning up. If you look at down here, I got it all, pretty much all, majority of the foam. Now that's gonna be tricky. I got most of it. There's still some that's in between, that's underneath there. So I'm gonna have to use my chisel, just go in there slowly, knock those loose. But yeah, it's coming along. Just gotta clean it up, get rid of all these foam. I'm gonna have to remember that piece right there. There's also another one that lays across here. So before I remove the fiberglass from the stringers, I'll have to measure those and make sure that I put those back. But you know, one thing I noticed about these old boats is the way they glass in the stringers. And, you know, they do not do a very good job at it at all. So if you look at it down here, that's about as high as they go with the fiberglass. And then about 4 inches is just wood. So all the way across, it's the same. Oh man, that's why the wood was rotten. You know, they didn't even glass over the stringers. Like, man. So I guess when I do it, I'm just gonna glass everything over and make sure that those stringers will never rot. But then again, I'm gonna use a Kusa board, so hopefully, you know, it'll last for a long time. But yeah, if you look underneath there, it's got a lot of foams. So I gotta go back in there and dig it all up. I was thinking maybe I should just leave it. You know, I don't think that would hurt, because I'm gonna foam it anyway. But yeah. So here I go again. Stay tuned.